2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Find your dream car and drive it home today.